If you are asked to change a number that's already in this form in scientific notation to standard form, use this sheet. I have an example with a positive exponent, and I have an example with a negative exponent. So you choose which one works best for you. Here we go. How do we do this? Well, if I start out with a number in scientific notation and I have a positive exponent, I am going to move the decimal to the right 7 times. So I write my number out, and I want you to do this. Write your number down. Write it on a piece of paper. Write it on something. A whiteboard, somewhere. Okay, so here's my decimal point. There it is right there. I am going to move that decimal point over 7 times to the right. Make your squiggle lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where my new decimal point goes. Now, each little spot in here I have to fill in with a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So my new number is 687, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. If I'm asked to change a number that's in scientific notation to standard form, and my exponent is a negative exponent, I can see what yours says. Here's my number. I wrote it out, 6.87, 6.87. And if I have a negative exponent, I'm going to move my decimal to the left that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where my new decimal point goes. Cross this one out. It's done. So what are the tips? Here's my new number. What are the tips? If you're being asked to change a number that's in scientific notation into standard form, look at this sheet. Follow these directions. Here are your tips. If your exponent is a positive exponent, you're moving your decimal point to the right that many times. And if your exponent is negative, move your decimal to the left that many times.